If you're watching this video, it's very likely you want to start an online business, you want to set your own hours and work from where you want. But where would you get started? What products or services should you be selling? These are the same questions that I had. You see, I left my corporate jobs a couple of years ago to build my own business so that I can have more free time. I wanted to spend more time with my family, with my daughter, and also be able to do more of the things that I'm passionate about. I spent a couple of years trying different things online. I spent a lot of our money on different coaches, on mentors, on courses, but I wasn't getting the results I was after. This changed when I came across Stuart Ross and the SFM community. I'm really excited to be able to share with you some incredible insights that has had a profound impact on my journey online and in my life in general. The 3 on-demand workshops I'm going to be sending you are absolutely free. If you don't like them, you can delete them and you'll never hear from me again. But if you find yourself getting incredible insight and incredible value from them, then I want you to promise me one thing: to take action. Having coached hundreds of people, if there's one thing I've seen time and time again, those who take action are the ones that get results. It's the speed of implementation that matters. So, and by the way, the on-demand workshops are delivered by Stuart Ross himself, and believe me, he's a lot better in front of camera than I am. I started doing this only a year ago. So here's some insight into what you will be getting. In workshop 1, you will learn the ultimate lifestyle business model for getting profitable in 2019. How can you start making money from products and services that you're already using and love? In the second workshop, you will learn how to source and sell products, physical products online. You're going to discover how to sell them using powerhouses such as Amazon.com, who's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. They're going to do things like selling, fulfillment, shipping, customer care, and all those stuff which you don't want to be doing. And finally, in workshop 3, we will walk you through step by step from having never sold anything online to not only making your first sale, but also how to start and grow a real business from scratch. By the time you complete the 3 workshops, you will have utter clarity on how to get started online and the exact steps to follow to generate your first sale. After watching all the workshops, also I will be sending you my personal booking link so that you can book a time with me and have a 1-hour free consultation call with me. So I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside and having lots of fun.